period of time, they may get the fatigue. And they may get upset. But in artificial intelligence, we are mimicking the human intelligence, the same thing, but what with more accuracy and precision, it is having the lesser fatigue chances. That is the major thing, where the disappointment, emotions will not be implemented in the process of your research when we are implementing these tools of artificial intelligence. So it was demonstrated by the machines and it can handle large volumes of the data. If you are doing manually or conventionally, we can't handle lot of data and intercomparisons between the existing data. But these things can be achieved with the help of the artificial intelligence. And basic, when we see what are the various basic networks and tools which we are employed in the artificial intelligence. Here, I am trying to give the enlightenment only to the introduction part. I'm not touching the what are the various algorithms and all those things, because that comes under the concepts of the computer sciences, and where we are having the interdisciplinary research, computer sciences versus health sciences. We are having that interdiscipline. Those people of computer science, but for understanding the basic things, I am giving you the, it's like keynote points only. But in detail, these are not of in detail. We are not discussing that one. This is the out of the scope of my presentation. What I am doing to you is I am giving only the keynote points of what are the various networks and tools of the artificial intelligence which we are employing for our application of the drug discovery or health sciences. Majorly, when we see, it comes under the fundamental programming of machine learning, which we are calling it as ML. Because even in the current engineering courses also, if you see from past 3 to 4 years, the traditional systems like mechanical engineering, civil engineering, uska craze bahut kam hua. Because of the more practical applications, now they are going for AI and ML. What is AI and ML? Artificial intelligence and machine learning. That is the new branch emerging in the engineering sciences. Okay, so CSC, computer sciences with AI and ML applications. That is the specific branches. They are being emerging and making the new generation of this artificial intelligence engineers or machine learning engineers for our required applications. Next one. It can able to recognize the patterns with a set of the data. Here, majorly data management is the major critical parameter through which we are attaining our required targets or required solutions. And we are also using this, there is a subfield by name deep learning, machine learning. It is the part of the machine learning, which we are calling it as the deep learning. It engages the artificial neural networks, ANN. We use it to abbreviate it as ANN, artificial neural network. And apart from that, in this artificial neural network, particularly, we are going to deal with the components such as deep neural networks, DNN, as well as the recurrent neural networks, RNN. These are the subclasses of this artificial neural networks. Okay. Majorly, these novel artificial intelligence techniques received wide interest in case of this pharmaceutical research, especially in case of the early drug discovery, has been gradually increased. So when we see what are the various domains, what are the things what I had explained to you, that is in the form of the pictorial representation, the machine learning. In the artificial intelligence, we are concentrating on the machine learning. It is having these sort of, for example, instant-based algorithms, we are using decision tree type of algorithms or artificial neural networks. These are the basic subdivisions. And these subdivisions have their own practical applications, such as, for example, in case of instant-based algorithms, support vector machines, k-nearest neighborhood, self-organizing maps. All these things are the different applications related to the instant-based algorithms. In case of the decision tree type of the algorithms, we are having two things which are applied to the pharmacy sector. One is the random forest, another one is the classification and regression tree. So these things are majorly because related to the engineering sciences, especially computer sciences, they will come under these things. So by the collaboration of these two, computer sciences and the health sciences, they are giving the inputs in the form of the algorithms according to our requirements. So we are giving what is our requirement, what is your things. So we used to have the contact with them. So what thing is applicable to your sector, then they will design the program or algorithm accordingly, specifically, or sometimes automated things are being available with user friendly options are available. What they are going to do is uh, according to your requirements, they are very user friendly. You need not any particular training or tutorials also for their initial what to say, for their initial operation also. Okay. In case of the artificial neural networks, perception, recruitment neural networks, next feedback or forward network, Boltzmann network, and convolutional neural network. These are the techniques which are being employing in the process of the artificial neural networks. Okay. So when we see in the drug discovery, what are the various artificial intelligence tools which are employed? Because here I also given you the links also. Some of these links are freely available, means open source things. You can utilize them. I know mostly in our pharmacy sector, pharmaceutical chemistry stream people, as well as the pharmacology people, they are having this artificial intelligence as the part of their studies also. Now they are docking studies with the help of the QAS or softwares. But whereas in case of the pharmaceutics as well as the pharmacology design expert software, okay, we are using the design expert software for getting the solutions for regarding the optimization and everything. These are free versions are also available. If you want the more specific targets, you are supposed to go for the paid versions. The free versions are the trial versions for a duration of 15 days to 1 month, but it is accessible to only one system for one time. Okay, once it was been launched in your system uh, with your system code, next time you cannot able to install that one. Okay, so let us see now in the drug discovery. These are the different tools we are using, such as deep chem, deep tox, deep neural network QSAR, and organic. These are the different softwares of the artificial intelligence tools with their specificity and their websites, how they we can reach them for to download the free versions or the trial versions, or used to call as the trial versions. It's like after showing a picture to you, trailer to you, they will make you to buy the ticket. Okay, these these sort of the things are like that. First they will give you the trailer, okay, for a duration of 15 to 30 days. If you are enthusiastic and if you are feeling it applicative, then definitely you are going to buy their ticket to their movie. It's like that. It's the part of the marketing part of the artificial intelligence. Okay, let us see here. Uh, what are the various leading pharmaceutical companies in association with various software developing companies? How they developed different artificial intelligence applications for the in the process of the drug discovery and development. First, when we see here, I am giving on the far left side, we are having the pharmaceutical organization that is in association. On the left side, we are having the artificial intelligence organization or software developing companies where they are having the associations. First, when we see the Roche, it is going to have the association with Okin of Japanese company, and drug discovery and development clinical trials based on machine learning networks. They developed this software, they got it, the patented, and they are using. So in the combination, as I tell to you, how this will happen is, what is your requirement? The requirement will be told by the pharmaceutical organization. Okay. So how to get the solution by employing the algorithms, by employing the technologies that will be given by the these software companies or the artificial intelligence organizations. Similarly, the Pfizer, it's the combination with IBM and this one, they developed different quantum mechanics and machine learning algorithms, 3D structure of molecular designing, and all these things. They developed the patented versions. So you have to pay if you want to utilize these tools. Definitely, you are supposed to have the access for them by doing the payments. Similarly, Novartis with IBM and Microsoft, they developed their own things in the process of the drug designing. And other things like AstraZeneca with Jensen, these things, they are going to have benevolent artificial intelligence. They developed different artificial intelligence tools or the softwares for the drug development and discovery. Okay, what I told you, majorly now in the development process, they are going for the docking studies, and in the process of this repurposing of the drugs also, they are concentrating on the clinical data management and safety trials. They are having the major focus on those area, repurposing. And first in the drug discovery process as well as the repurposing of the drugs. These two sectors are being majorly implementing these things. So in recently when we see the major discoveries, drug development trends, top 9 when we see innovations in the 2023, we can say it's the recent or in current, as we are in just in the Jan of 2024. These are the startup sectors. Startup sectors means artificial intelligence organizations which develop fresh BTech graduates or fresh MTech graduates who had their degrees in AI ML. Okay, they developed in tie-up with different pharmaceutical sectors, and they come out with these different startups. So what are the various in the what fields of the drug development in the past 2023? These 2,245 startups have been put up by the combination of the artificial intelligence sector with the drug discovery and development, means manufacturing sector or pharmaceutical companies, such as data analytics, patient-centric clinical trials, assay development, advanced manufacturing, okay, synthetic biology, preparation of the various synthetic polymers as well as the synthetic peptide and protein molecules, virtual trials. Okay, instead of performing the clinical trials, they are going for the virtual trials with the help of the simulated, human simulated softwares, as well as the high performance computing, 3D cell culture, as well as cyber security. These are the sectors related to the health sciences, especially in the drug discovery and development in the past year, our last year, 2023. These many number of startups, it was the data provided by the survey on the startups. Startups Insight is the magazine which has been published this data. Here we are going to see what are all the pharmaceutical sector is having association with what artificial intelligence organization or the software organization, and their principal area of the discovery. Total principal area of the discovery, when we see on the right hand side, five sectors are there. On the left hand side, we are having the 4 sectors. Total in these 9 sectors of the drug discovery and development, the artificial intelligence has played a vital role in the last year. So see how many startups have been come up and how and they are successful ones. And it's not like just they created a startup without any application. It's a startup with a practical application. When they have the practical application, what their strategy is, first they will go for the trial version to make it taste to all the utilizing persons. When they were happy with their trial version, then they will buy that trial version. Okay, then pay karke, they are going to have the access for their tools. So these are finally what I would like to say is now it has artificial intelligence has taken much attention currently in the field of drug discovery and development. The major reason is lesser duration of the time, and second one is lesser cost is incurred with lesser amount of the resources, and accuracy. In terms of the accuracy, we are going to have the high and precise methodologies as well as the molecules are going to be attained for that one. Next, and many machine learning methods such as QSAR, SVM, support vector machines. These things we are aware because especially the pharmaceutical chemistry people in the process of the docking studies, they are using these things, and applicability of the artificial intelligence in the physicochemical properties determination, biological activities, as well as the toxicity studies, which are the basic parts of the drug discovery. All these things are also being analyzed with the help of this artificial intelligence programs. And here we are using different things, especially is far from being perfect. Even we can say in our day-to-day life also, how we are using the artificial intelligence. Because if you are typing something in your email, automatically your Gmail is suggesting you for the spelling correction, your Gmail is suggesting for the grammar correction. Okay, it is nothing but the application of the artificial intelligence for your content writing. Okay. Similarly, when we see the application softwares of the artificial intelligence like Ginger, which is the grammar related software, we can correct our theses, or we can correct our statements in that one. Grammarly is there. These are all the tools of the artificial intelligence which are applied to the literature. And next, things like speech to text. If you're telling something, it is going to come as a text directly. All these are the implications without knowing itself. Also, some things we are using for our betterment. All these are the applications in our day-to-day life. We are using these artificial intelligence tools such as Ginger, Grammarly, okay, text, speech to text. All these things are the artificial intelligence tools which we are applying in our day-to-day life. And this preparation or this PPT, what I have done is the references are being taken from these well-renowned journals of very reputed journals, what you can say, probably from the Scopus and Web of Science only. And one more thing, I'm happy here to say one thing. In our Sandeep University, I'm from the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences. I am collaborating with the Department of Computer Sciences, and we got a fund for from the DST for to developing an algorithm or to developing an artificial intelligence tool for the breast cancer treatment. Okay, I'm happy to announce that concept, but other things I can't reveal. Still, the process is about to come on the bench. Okay, so here also what I would like to suggest is the collaborative work I would like to turn. What is the requirement? What are the basic things we know, the pharmaceutical science people, and how it has to be executed, and the checking, quality control of that thing, everything will be done by the computer science people. Okay, so the collaborative works is to be needed, and this is the current area of the research where you can get more number of the grants and also the publications with high impact. Also, if you target on this sector of the research, applications of artificial intelligence in healthcare sector, or healthcare sector, implications of artificial intelligence in healthcare sector. This is the current topic of research and most lucrative also. Means you can get the funding easily provided if your plan of work is according to the requirement of the funding agencies, regulatory agencies. Okay, here I would like to ask you any queries related, because it's very simple, basic thing. Still, if you do have any sort of queries, please, anyone can, the session is open for the queries right now. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, you are audible. You can ask.
So this is Dr. Jitbahadur Mokhtan from the from the Santiniketan College of Pharmacy as a principal, and I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to share these lessons for the 7 Hill College of Pharmacy and the organizer team. And coming to the presentations, Professor Ashok Kalluru, sir, presented and in the presentations in an emerging and innovative topic, that is artificial intelligence, that too in drug discovery and development. I hope like dear students have understood like what are the minimum tools are required for the are used for the artificial intelligence in case of the drug discovery and the drug development. Sir, I have a few questions like whether this artificial intelligence is a boon or a curse for the student.
Yeah, you are getting a lot of noise. I can't hear your question properly.
So
Hello.
artificial intelligence is a boon for the student. Whether it is like for the student, it is harmful or it is beneficial. Artificial intelligence.
Okay, because I'm not clear with your question, but let me tell you what I understood. It's like it's not like some boom or something. We need not to know for to run that software or something. The basic training is also not required, or basic tutorial is also not required, because all the things what they are designing is the user friendly. Means a common man also can operate them. Okay, just like how you are operating your Ginger software for checking your spelling corrections or checking your sentence formations, like that they are mostly they will be the user friendly versions only. Apart from the few specific versions you are going to get with the operation manual, as well as the operation tutorials will be provided. Through that trial and error basis you can go with the your studies. Okay.
Okay, sir. So in case of drug discovery and drug development, you don't like different artificial intelligence tools are been used like deep chem, deep tox, and even organic and all. But among them, like which one is like more comfortable for the
Actually, in the thing, I also given you the link available to that one, because it was taken from an high impact journal. Directly, you can click on that link, because I am going to share my presentation with the Sarvan Kumar sir, who is the organizer of this event. He is the best friend of mine and mentor also. You can have the presentation also to be shared to all of the participants. What you can do is you can click on the link. If the link is not directly available, because it's like the slide has been taken and been pasted or like that. If it is not available, you can type with that one, such that you can go into the directly to the link. What I told you is accordingly, initially they will give the trial version only for few days. Okay, probably for 15 days. After the trial version is completed and once downloaded, okay, you are not supposed to again into the same system with IBL number. You cannot download it again freely. You have to go for the purchased version only. If you want to use it further, then what you have to do, when you have the actual thing to be used, at that time only download. But once downloaded, the 15 days count is over. You have to complete your work within that 15 days only. Okay. And the reports you can take in the form of the screenshot. Recently, the technologies are developed such that you can directly get the PDF after your work is being completed. Whatever the docking studies you are going to be done, what are the 3D structures you are going to done, you can download directly in the form of the PDF. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Before, people used to take the screenshot and use that screenshot for their applications in the free versions. Now it is the free version is also giving the downloadable PDF for PDF formats or JPG format you can get from them. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Hope I am clear with these are the very basic introduction part. I was not because it's the new emerging science. Okay, these artificial intelligence applications into the different sectors. In that one, we are taking in the pharmaceutical sector, drug discovery and development. So hopefully I given the basic inputs what I have done. Further, if you want additional reading, I am providing this presentation to the organizers, where you are having the reference links. Through that reference links, especially the recent years from past 2000 to 20, 21, 22, 23. You refer those articles. There are excellent things to study. In certain things also, we don't know that one. Yes, that is like that. But we are not directly into the process of the artificial intelligence. We are having what are the applications for the artificial intelligence. Okay. So we have to search for our for to limit your time of study and to get the accurate result. You have to apply where the entire article what they had been presented, what part is applicable to you. try to focus on that one. If you keep on going into study the deeper part of it, then your process of study or entire thing is going to change apart from your objective. So that is my suggestion to all the viewers. Especially, I think this was targeted to the bachelor students and master students. So this is the new venue. Please try to have some of the things what called in your projects also, like docking studies with the help of your respective guides. Because already these free versions are also available. Some people, they do have the purchased versions also in certain small organizations also. So try to imply these things. It is the current way of the study. It is not like you have to do everything on bench work and bench work's report to Lena, that one has to be presented as an A. Without doing the bench work, also the things happen with the help of the artificial intelligence. Everything you can do virtually. Okay, and you can also propose your conclusions and report also. Things are happening like that. The methodology of the research has also been changing because of the advent of this artificial intelligence. So thank you once again, the organizers, especially my good friend Sarvana sir. He's like a brother to me. And immediately when he tells, sir, we have to organize like this, means I immediately tell, okay, definitely welcome, sir. Whatever the little things I have, I can do my presentation. And thank you to the management of the SHCP Autonomous College. Hopefully it is flourishing, because I also have the association with Niranjan Babu Garu, Dr. Niranjan Babu Garu, and his vision, how to bring up the things and how nice setup he was done in the college. Thank you all once again for your time and patient listening. Okay. With your permission, can I leave the meeting?
Excuse me, sir. So wait for some time. Can you stop sharing your slides? Stop sharing.
Sorry, sir, your voices are not clear, sir. I can't hear you because I think I have a good signal only. I'm getting a lot of noise. I can't hear you the question properly. If not, can you text in the chat box? You can do one thing. Can you text in the chat box?
Sir, unshare your presentation, sir, please. We are going to present our appreciation certificate.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Ashok, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. Yes. Is it visible now? Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for sharing valuable insights on artificial intelligence in drug discovery and development. And
thank you from my side also, and pleasure is mine, and looking for more association with your SHCP further. Okay, and thank you for opportunity for given to me to share the little knowledge what I have in this concept. Okay, thank you all.
yeah. Hello, sir. On the behalf of organizing committee, I am extremely sorry for inconvenience. As we hit by cyclone from morning, and electricity is fluctuating like anything. On the behalf of 7th College of Pharmacy, we extend our gratitude to Dr. Ashok Tuladur in this virtual setting. We would like to express our appreciations to Dr. Tuladur for his valuable contributions. Thank you for enriching our conference with your expertise and insights. Thank you to all the delegates for our active participations and presence through the first day. We look forward to reconvening tomorrow at 10 a.m. For now, please feel free to log out from the online sessions. Have a restful evening and see you all soon. Thank you. Sir, you can leave the meetings now, sir.
Thank you much. Thank you.